So in this video, you'll learn how to fix the stick drift of your Nintendo Switch 2 console. So if you're having issues with the sticks of your console, either the left or right, and you want to fix them, then it's fairly simple. What you're going to do is just navigate to settings. And then once you're in your settings, you're going to scroll down until you find controllers and accessories, and then choose that. And then scroll through here until you find this option, Calibrate Control Sticks. Select that. Then what you're going to do is simply move the stick that you want to fix around. So it's either the left or for the right. It's completely up to you. So for me, I'll choose the right one. So as I move it around, it's going to be selected. And you can see here, when I move the right stick, it's moving. But when I try to move the left, it's not, which means that I'm only calibrating the right at this point. So from here, once you've confirmed all of that, what you're going to do is simply press on X on your console and confirm that you wish to calibrate your control stick. Then the next step is to just follow through these instructions. So you're going to move the stick so that it reaches this item and then let go so that it assesses if the motion is correct. So go ahead and do so for all 4 ends. And once you've done that, it should go through the process of fixing the control stick. You'll also be told to move it around in a circle. So go ahead and do so. And then select OK. And that should fix any stick drift that you had with that specific controller. If you want to do the same thing for another controller, what you're going to do is simply press on B to go back. And then it will bring you to this menu. And you're going to move the other controller around so that you can go ahead and go through the same process of calibrating it so that it fixes the stick drift. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.